Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a world of creativity with the best Ladybug beads available in the market. If you're into jewelry making or DIY crafts, you'll want to stick around for this one. These are the 40-piece Ladybug beads from Heliltd, designed for those who love to add a touch of whimsy and elegance to their handmade creations. Each bead is meticulously crafted from high-quality glass, ensuring durability and a smooth, lustrous finish. No two beads are exactly alike, making every piece of jewelry you create truly unique. Whether you're making bracelets, necklaces, earrings, or even using them decoratively around your home, these beads are perfect. They're ideal for both adults and children alike, adding a sunny and cheerful vibe to any project. What I love about these beads is their vibrant red color and the intricate ladybug design. They measure about 15 millimeters in length and 10 millimeters in width, with a hole diameter of approximately 1.7 millimeters, making them versatile for various stringing materials. Heliltd ensures top-notch quality with these beads. If you encounter any issues upon delivery, they offer a satisfaction guarantee, so you can shop with confidence. Now, let's talk about user experience. Crafters and DIY enthusiasts rave about how these beads elevate their projects. They're not just beads, they're little pieces of art that inspire creativity. One thing to note, these beads are currently limited in shipping to certain locations, so make sure to check availability for your area. In conclusion, if you're looking to add a delightful flair to your jewelry making or crafting endeavors, these Heliltd Ladybug beads are a fantastic choice. They combine quality craftsmanship with endless creative possibilities. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!